I be round with them back ends, fuck around with that one shit. Got two bad bitches, they topping me, fucking up they front. I know she got a man, she gon' fuck though. Gelato mix with my run. I bet this Glock 23 blow. Bro from the D say it's on the flow. She like you got too many hoes. I could turn a bitch to a pro. How the fuck you broke with a phone? I swear the new ops unknown. 25 shots, Derrick Rose. Too much walking hill, we scold. They catching shells, not catching COVID. I'm too high off the mimosas. He gon' die if he get close. I had fucked it up, won't staying focused. She wanna come fuck with a winner, cause she know her nigga finished. Let lil' baby drive the rental. Goddamn, my life so expensive. She a bro bitch, I'm a I was in Sackville when I was little. You ain't never get to ride with the members. Folks a bitch, but he told a pistol.
Just got up here to the shop where I'm finna be picking up the 9.8, you know. She definitely looking decent. She a little dirty, need to get it together. This spot right here in Crown Point though, they did a lot of work. Crown Point Auto. I don't know, man, we finna see what all they did, man. Let's see what's going on. She definitely dirty though. I'm gonna get it together soon. I'm back. I see my seatbelt missing. My seatbelts is missing. Oh, and there they go. Okay, so that's gotta be right. I don't know, man. I'm about to go in here and holler at him, talk to him or whatever, and then pick the camera back up and let y'all know what's going on. What's up, gang? I'm in my old school. Just picked it up from the shop. And the owner of the shop and the person who was actually working on my car, he's not in right now. So I wasn't able to talk to him about the issues that I got with it, because few issues. Like my one main concern is the fact that my sunroof is not working. I don't know if he forgot to put a fuse back, or did he blow a fuse, or forgot to hook something up. I don't know. But that sunroof, this headliner, the top that's on the outside of the roof, all that is new. Sunroof was working when I took it to him. I don't know what he done did or what the case is, but it's my main concern right now, and I got to talk to him, and we're gonna have to set a date of when I'm gonna bring it back, because that ain't gonna work, my boy. That ain't gonna work. The sunroof was probably the last thing that had got done before I even took the car to him, actually. So, nah, that sunroof work, my boy. So we're gonna have to fix that. Another thing is put my interior back together, and see that hole right there? My seatbelt, where the seatbelt buck was at, it's supposed to be right there. So when he put my interior together, he didn't pull my seatbelts back out. You know, the little buttons, the little buckle part, he didn't pull it out. So I can't buckle my seatbelt right now. And I ain't really look at too much, so maybe not some other things. I run into other few minor issues, but like I said, my main concern is that sunroof. Like, this supposed to be working. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's supposed to be working. But I'm about to pull up, pull up to the house, and I'm gonna have to wipe him down, give him a quick little wipe down. Well, no, I'm actually have to wash it, which is gonna be some crazy stuff because it's snowing, it's wet, it's nasty outside right now. Like, but I'm not gonna show y'all Shorty while she all dirty and funky looking. But yeah, man, we gon', like I say, this car still far from done. It's still minor stuff. It runs great. Like, this always been a good running car. But still got to get the lift that I'm getting to be able to get my rims under here. So goes without saying that the rims is not on. The steering wheel that came with the rims not on. My music isn't in. I got some stupid bass that I'm about to put in the trunk. And the interior, I'm not really in a rush to do the interior. I'm gonna do the interior eventually because I don't like the position of the way this seat sits. This is a bench seat, so the whole front seat is one seat. But yeah, she clean though for sure. Don't get it twisted. Yeah, like I was saying, I don't like the position that the seat is in. You know, I'm sitting like upright. Feel like the steering wheel is too close and everything, and I don't really like that. And another thing that I've noticed, is that he put my radio in upside down. I guess he just rushed, putting the car back together. I don't know what the man had going on, but the car was done and ready to be, he was done with his job a week or two ago. So I guess I got on his nerves by steady calling him like, hey man, like, can you put my car back together? Can I come get it? You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I guess he said fuck it and just rushed and threw my shit back together, cause ain't no way. Like, come on now. You got my damn radio in upside down. Like, really? And it isn't working. Right along with the goddamn sunroof. Yeah, I don't know what Buddy had going on, but don't worry about it. He definitely he gonna get it together for sure. But like I said, I'm finna go ahead and guess who's back. Only for a little while though. She still gotta go get a few more things tweaked. Man. Alright. Got her cleaned up a little bit. He pulled my buckles through my seat, so I can't even click the seat belt. She's pretty clean though. Up from what they messed up stuff everywhere. Look, there go my seat. belts. Buckles down there. I don't know what about to clean her up though. I just rinsed her off a little bit, washed her off a little bit. I ain't even cleaned the wheels, white walls. I had these installed right here. LED opera lights. Really LED everything, even the reverse lights. Lights down up in the that's why I don't use this damn thing. Lights down in the footwell. Like I said, it's still a bunch of stuff that I need to get done with this. Look, man, dude put my radio in upside down. It's cool, this radio and this whole bezel coming out, because I don't like the fact that whoever had this car before me cut the bezel to get this radio in, so it's a cut around it, and I got a whole new one. Like I said, I still got a bunch of stuff to do with this. Like, I don't even know where. Like, this box feels empty. This is a radio that I'm putting in. Just to give it the old school look. This is a Bluetooth radio with a 1980s and 70 look to it. It's actually Bluetooth. So I'll be getting that put in. I'll be putting in, because like I said, the other one cut. This is a rear end cover, chrome rear end cover that I had bought. I put the posi in after I put the posi in, but apparently I bought the wrong chunk. This is the chunk to the rear end. The rear end chunk to turn it into a posi. I don't know if I can use it or not. If not, it'll probably be up for sale. I put the information in the description about what vehicle it come out of, and you guys can determine what we had to fit in whatever y'all got going on. But man, I really need to clean this out. Some old car mats. This is my car cover. It's a real good car cover. It got straps. Strap it underneath the car so the wind don't blow it off. And it's thick as hell. Like, boxes of stuff back here. Like got so much. This was a steering wheel that I had bought, Oldsmobile steering wheel, but y'all know I ended up coming 4G, so I'm not gonna be using that no more. So these rims is for this car. I know a lot of people was wondering and asking, was I putting them on the Hellcat and all that? And no, these are going on my old school. So still got a lot of work to do, but like I said, she's been in the shop for quite some time now, and y'all never really seen this car. So I just want to show y'all around her real quick. Glad I can't get that light to hit right, but she's painted. She's black, obviously, with a red ghost pearl in it. So can't really see the pearls unless the light hitting just right. But yeah, I have to do some touch-up paint. One of the first things that I will be doing though is I'll probably do this myself, but I need an extension cord so my heat gun can really reach all the way around the car. But you probably can't tell or notice, but this strip that goes down the side, it isn't straight. That's no fault due to the person that put it on. It's that when this thing comes in like a roll, and it's rolled up all nice and tight, and I didn't keep it rolled up. I had it threw around in the trunk and the back of the car, and it got all deformed and distorted. So when it was time to put it on, it was kind of hard to get it back straight. So this is the best you can do. So I'm taking this off because I bought a whole new one that I had for months now. I just been waiting for the car to get back. So I'm gonna be taking this off. And yeah, it is tinted. She is tinted. I know a lot of people say, you know, don't tint the old schools, but I'm not the type of person that like to ride clear glass. So she's tinted all the way around. 35%, no, 15% all around except for the front windshield. The windshield is 35%. I did change my headlights. Grill, obviously. But yeah.
I started rapping in the trenches, speaking to the real. I lost my cousin, I see him when I look at his kid. For the fam, I do it all, catch a case again. Ain't had no bank account at all. I started popping rubber bands, I lost 9, I lost 9.